Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to make a photo slideshow and add themes, text, sounds, stickers, filters on that slideshow. Let's move to the Android home screen, and here just click Play Store and search Viva Video. Just install this application if you want to create a photo slideshow. I have installed this application. Just click open it. The home screen will be displayed, and just click if I want to create a slideshow, just click slideshow. And choose the image from your computer. I am just clicking DCIM folder and click this image. I want to add this image, and this image. I want to create a photo slideshow of 3 images. Just click done. It will create a photo slideshow. Now you can play. There are different slideshow there are different themes are available here. You can use it by clicking here, and you can see here a text. If you want to edit a text, just click this theme. You can change your own text. If you want to add a music, just click music, and you can add your music, your downloaded music, by clicking here. Just mute this music and use your own music by clicking here. I am using the default music. Just if you want to increase the duration of your slideshow, you can use duration. Just click duration, and here is one images will be display 3 seconds. You can increase this by using this duration option. And fourth option is edit. You can edit your presentation as well. And I am using different themes. Just click themes. All the themes will be displayed, and I am using these themes. Just click. And click edit for more option, and there are clip edit. If you want to edit clip, just click here. You can move any image from if I want to move if I want to display this image, second image, just you can move it, and you can remove it also. And there are option duration, duplicate, and adjust option. If you want to increase the brightness, contrast, and you can use adjust option. I am not using this option. Just click cancel, and I am using text option. Just click here. If you want to add any text in the slideshow, you can use text option. Just click text here, and there are different text animations are here. You can type your own text. Just double click here, just click here, and you can type your own text and click OK. And you can move this text anywhere in slideshow. and you can change the color by clicking here, green. And if you want to change the font style, just click font here. You can change the font style. And if you want to change the bubble, if you want to use the bubble, you can click here. You can use different bubbles. After clicking these options, just click OK. It will be added in your slideshow. Just click this button and click OK for done. If you want to cancel, just click here for cancelling. And you can use filter option in your slideshow. There are different filters are available. You can use it. Just click here, this filter, this filter. There are different options, and you can play. There are different options are different filters are available. I am not using any. Just click cancel. And fourth option is a sticker. If you want to add a sticker, just click stickers. There are different stickers are available. Just click plus sign here, and there are different stickers you can use in your slideshow. You can move anywhere and click this button for done. Now it will added in your slideshow. Just play it. You can use different effects just by clicking here. There are different effects are available. You can use it. Just click effects, and there are different options. If you want to use these effects, just click here. If you want to use these effects, just click here, and you can download effects as well. If you click here, effects will be added in your slideshow. Click OK. It will rendering your slideshow. Just play it. After creating a slideshow, you can share this slideshow to your friend by clicking here. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, all the options are available. You can use it. You can save you in your computer as well. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.